Hello and welcome to a programming video made by yours truly, Jackson B of Team 4250, the Lightsabers. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create the TensorFlow program you will need to read the ring stack. First, create a new file using the sample code concept TensorFlow object detection or concept TensorFlow object detection webcam if you are using a webcam. Make sure to click the circle here to set it to an autonomous mode. After creating your file, you want to come down to where it says Vuforia key, and in between these quotation marks, you want to paste your Vuforia key. You can get this key either from the Vuforia website, link in the description, or you can use a key from a previous program, which is what I will be doing. Then, right under the Vuforia key, you are going to create three variables. The first is a private boolean that will be called stack camera stop with a lowercase s in stack, an uppercase C, and an uppercase S in stop that will be equal to true. Make sure to put a semicolon after this line because otherwise the computer will think that it's just continuing on to the next line, and we want this part of the code to stop there so we can create a new line of code. The second is a private int being short for integer, which is a whole number and sometimes a small number. We use a different variable name for large numbers, and we're going to call this target zone with a lowercase t and a capital Z, and we're going to set that equal to 0. The third variable we will be creating is a private float, and float is a number that has a decimal point or does not, but also is usually larger. And we're going to call this camera number with a lowercase c and a capital M, and this is also going to be equal to 0. Make sure to put semicolons at the end of both of those lines because otherwise it will give you an error. You can name these whatever you like, but I would suggest calling them the same thing as I do so you don't get confused throughout this video. Next, you're going to scroll down to right here where it says tfod.setZoom. Next, scroll down to where it says tfod.setZoom and uncomment that line by getting rid of these two slashes. We have found that the numbers that give us the widest shot of the field are 1.7 and 1.78. So I would highly recommend setting your numbers to these. Then go to the GitHub wiki page that is linked in the description and scroll down to modifying the sample op mode to display the target zone. Copy the code shown there and paste it over the top of the sample code while loop just as I do. This has been an informative programming video with me, Jackson B of Team 4250, the Lightsabers. Thank you for watching, and tune in next time to learn how to use the while loop in the TensorFlow code to detect the size of the ring stack and drive to the correct target zone. Again, thank you for watching, stay safe, and may the Force be with you.